coming towards Tesla, for 26 September, we gave the values for buying and selling position. For buying it was 287.5, while for selling it was 270. But now, for the 27th September, on the 26th September, we did not get any trade and no stop loss was hit, therefore. No entry, no stop loss hit. For 27th September, the high is, for 26th September, the high is 284.09 and the low is 270.31. So, the buying level for 27th September is 287 point, wait for 1 minute. It is 287.00, 287.00, the buying level, and the selling level is 267. These are both the levels. Now for the long position, the target is, the stop loss is $1.5, while our target would be $3. That is 1:2 risk is to reward ratio. Next, for the short position, the stop loss is $1.5 and the target is $4. So risk is to reward ratio is 2.6. It is 2.06 for buying position and 2.62 for the selling position. Thank you. I just want to tell you that comment if you are profitable and keep sharing the videos of this channel with your friends, and always play in the market with a stop loss. We are the disciplined trader, so stop loss is a must for us. Take trades, become profitable, and in the end, love you.